Hello guys, today I'll show you how to make stamp brushes like these. I make tricks and tips and tutorial videos on Infinite Painter, so, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing to it. So, to make brushes like this, create new 1x1 canvas. Then you can draw yourself a stamp brush as you like using black color, or you can just import a downloaded PNG file. Then to change its color to black, create a clip layer above it and fill it with black. Now, you just have to export it as PNG, change the name if you wish, and keep the settings just like this. After exporting the PNG file, duplicate and rename the monoline brush. I'll duplicate my other stamp brush, then you can just copy the settings. Tap on this setting icon to change the settings. Go to the head option and change the source image. Tap on the plus icon and then gallery to import the PNG file we created and select it. Now, I'll guide you through all the settings I know of. This size option just changes the size of your brush just like we do it normally. I'll keep it low to show you what all other options do in real time. Opacity option changes the opacity of brush. Smooth option makes the stroke smooth and look straight. In size range option you can set maximum size of your brush. I'll keep it full. Keep the blending mode normal. This jitter option is used to randomize the stroke. In this case, its size, it randomized the size. Flow works just like the opacity option. Spacing option to change the gap in multiple stamps. This angle option is used to change the angle of your stamp. Rotation option changes the stamp angle according to your like stroke. In Dynamics option you can change the flow and scatter according to the pressure of your stylus. Here in Jitter option you can randomize the scatter, angle, and flow of your stamps. Scatter randomize the place of stamps. Angle randomize the angle/rotation of stamps. And flow randomize the opacity. You can add texture to your stamps here. This mix in option does what it says, it mixes the stamp with color beneath it. Let me show you. So we'll keep it 0. I don't know much about these options yet. I'll tell you in future videos when I get to know it myself. Now Jitter tab here. Hue option randomize the color of your stroke and create a rainbow-like effect. Let me show you. Saturation option changes the lightness of the color. Less saturate means lighter color. This brightness option actually does exactly opposite. I don't know why. It increases the darkness of color if you increase the bar. I'll keep these options to 0. These two tabs, keep them disabled. I'll explain them in future brush tutorial videos. It's done. Now you can create your own stamp brushes. Thanks for watching.